ladies and gentlemen, we got a breaking news from South Korea. The death toll from a plane crash in Mount South Korea has risen to 177, with 181 people on board. And hopes are fading that the two remaining people are still alive. The only survivor of the crash of the Boeing 737-800, which belongs to the Judah line, are the two crew members. Their injuries are not believed to be life-threatening. Although the cause of the crash is under investigation, authorities have said that it was a bird strike. Air traffic control had reportedly warned the plane about a bird strike before the crash, and survivors of the crash have said that they heard from one of the crew members that there was a bird strike before the crash.